Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Stripe account to your Protegus 2 company account and start collecting payments. Before we begin, make sure you've already created and activated your Stripe account. Stripe is a secure and widely used online payment platform that lets your customers pay using various methods like cards, wallets, and more. Log into your Protegus 2 company account using a company admin profile. Then, go to Settings Stripe in the top menu. Click the only visible button, Connect an Account. A pop-up window will appear asking for your secret key. Click the link inside the pop-up. It will take you directly to your Stripe dashboard. In the search bar, type something like Developers, API, or Keys. Click the Developers API Keys section from the results. There, click Reveal Live Key Token and copy your secret key. Now return to the previous browser tab where the Protegus 2 Stripe pop-up is still open. Paste the secret key into the Live Secret Key field. Click Save. If the integration is successful, you'll see that the webhook is automatically enabled. Stripe payments and payouts can be configured later, no rush. Also, keep in mind you can choose which payment methods to offer your customers. Stripe supports a wide variety of them, from credit cards and Apple Pay to bank transfers and local options. That's it, your Stripe integration is complete. And you're now ready to accept payments through Protegus 2.